Well, hello everyone and happy Friday. Happy Friday. Welcome to Instagram Live. We missed on Monday because we had a family situation come up, so had to take care of some of that stuff. But anyways, I'm back. This is Friday. So today what I wanted to talk about is easy, healthy alternative drinks. Of course, my go-to drink is always going to be, guess what? Water. Okay, yes, just plain old water, half your weight in ounces. So if you weigh 175 pounds or 150 pounds for ease sake, then you drink 75 ounces. But I know sometimes people get a little bit bored with water. I enjoy water, so I drink a lot of it. But there's other alternatives. I'm not saying to sub out water, but just kind of to add to the mix. So my first one is going to be green tea. Okay, so here's just a typical green tea bag, and if you've noticed, if you go have Chinese food or sit down at a Japanese restaurant, sometimes they will give you like some hot green tea afterwards to help with ease digestion. But there's also a lot of benefits for with green tea. A lot of people use it for weight loss. So there you go. That's something that you can drink. You can brew it and then just drink it cold as well. Which brings me into my next one, which is matcha. Like, this is something that's pre-made. I just ordered a powder because I ran out of it, and I make a matcha latte, but I drink it cold. This is something you can pick up at some of the box stores, on a health food store, probably even online. And this is basically matcha. You can have it hot or you can have it cold. This one does have a little bit of cane syrup in there, or cane sugar. Looks like there's that's all it is, green matcha tea and a little bit of cane sugar. So this is another alternative. So if those of you who need something a little bit different now that it's starting to warm up, at least where I am, I'm not having my hot drinks as much as I want to, because if it's hot, I really don't want to drink something hot other than my bone broth. So this is a couple alternatives. The other one has been my go-to for so many years, and I know a lot of you have been drinking this as well, is, guess what's in here? Apple cider vinegar and lemon and salt, and I drink this throughout the day so that I'm not craving any sugar. And the same thing with the other two drinks I just showed you. You won't be craving any sweets or anything like that as well. So let me show you my very last one, and this is what I do. And you can prepare these in advance so that if you're in a bind, you just grab them and go. Like yesterday, I was on the run most of the day, so thank goodness I had this drink already prepared. All this is I buy some tea bags. Like this one's hibiscus, strawberry, and raspberry. I like this brand, Simple Truth Organic, because their teas are pretty clean. All you do is brew it, and when I brew it, I let it cool down. Then I put it in a mason jar, and I actually add some frozen berries in there and a dash of stevia. And I always like to add salt into everything, more for minerals, the real sea salt, but also just to give enhance the flavor as well, because that's what salt does. It's a flavor enhancer. So there you go. Those are some simple ones: water, green tea, matcha tea, ACV, the apple cider vinegar, and the lemon. And I call this my little blueberry blend. There's a tongue twister for you. So those are just a few ideas. It's really easy, but what it all comes down to for health is you have to just take the time to prepare. And this is just going to be part of the lifestyle. So these are usually something, these two at least, I like to have this in my house most of the time made, and this too when I'm on the road. You just grab it and go. And of course, I fill up my water with, put a lot of water in here. And, a lot of people have different size hydro flasks, and you can just fill it up and take them with you. So those are some easy alternatives. Try to stick to, stainless steel. Try to stick to glass. This is also glass. And as you can see, I have some mason jars that are glass, because we know that a lot of the plastics leach, and they're not really recyclable, where a lot of people will drink their water from a plastic bottle. and then they refill it. It's not always a good idea to do that. So there you go. Those are a few drinks that you can have during this time, and you really don't have to worry so much about calories or getting all the sugary stuff, because it's pretty much low carb for those of you that are following a low carb or even ketogenic type of template, or even a Paleolithic template. This is something that will fit into your eating plan. All right, we will catch you on the next video, and see you later. Bye.